Have you ever been distracted or aggravated by a virtual presentation gone wrong? In this video, we'll explore common mistakes that speakers make during virtual presentations. One of the most common pitfalls when recording a speech from home is the presence of pets. A dog barking in the background or a cat knocking down visual aids not only interrupts the flow of your presentation, but also pulls attention away from your message. Children running through the house, screaming, or playing games can also be a significant distraction for both you and your audience. The sudden noise or movement in the background can make it hard for viewers to stay engaged and follow your content. Choosing the right location for your speech is important for maintaining professionalism. Avoid presenting from a bed, whether sitting or lying down. Beds are associated with rest and relaxation, not public speaking, and this setting can make your presentation appear casual or unprepared. Additionally, avoid sitting on a couch while recording yourself with a handheld device, especially if the TV is blasting in the background. Presenting from your car or any outdoor location that's unrelated to your speech topic can also distract from your content. While outdoor settings may seem appealing, they often introduce uncontrollable variables like background noise, visual distractions, and unpleasant weather conditions. Unwanted background noise is a common issue in videotaped or live presentations, and it can greatly diminish the quality of your delivery. External sounds like vacuum cleaners, televisions, or other household appliances can drown out your voice and make it difficult for your audience to hear you clearly. Even the most engaging content will lose its effectiveness if your audience has to strain to understand what you're saying. A common but often overlooked issue when recording speeches online is low bandwidth. A slow internet connection can cause lags, freezing, or poor video and audio quality, which can be frustrating for both you and your audience. In a live virtual home tour, professionalism is key for real estate agents. Imagine a presenter holding a baby in front of a house that's for sale, while a videographer films and children ride by on bikes in the background. This scene, while perhaps charming, shifts the focus away from the property and creates an unorganized atmosphere. Finally, presenting from a bathroom is a major faux pas in virtual speeches. The hard surfaces create echo-filled audio, and the sight of bathroom fixtures, or worse, a flooded floor, can make the setting seem chaotic and unprofessional, completely inappropriate for a formal presentation. Now, let's wrap up with 4 key tips to help you stay professional and keep your audience focused during virtual presentations. Be mindful of your surroundings and choose a quiet, distraction-free workspace for your presentations. Check your internet connection, microphone, and video quality beforehand to avoid technical issues. Turn off appliances, mute notifications, and ensure there's no background noise so your audio remains clear and professional. In virtual settings, you can't always gauge the audience's vibe, so it's important to maintain a polished, professional tone that works in any situation. By following these tips, you'll deliver a dynamic virtual presentation that captivates your audience and leaves a lasting impression.